Hey guys, Corey Barkach with Drive Creative Agency. Today I want to talk to you about, this is for manufacturing companies, how can manufacturing companies increase their sales? If you're a manufacturing company that's looking for more business, but you're not sure how to do it, you might be stuck in a rut, stuck in the old way of doing things, and you're looking for new ideas on how you can better position your brand. This video really is indeed for you. And the first thing I want to talk to you about really is your website. Now that might seem obvious, but you would be surprised at how many manufacturing companies tell us, we don't deal with the public. We don't sell anything online. We don't need a nice website. All of our engineers that look for us find us on desktop. They're not going to use a cell phone. We don't need a mobile-friendly device. And that plainly is not the fact. Did you know that 94% of business-to-business decisions, purchasing decisions, are made first by research? So that means that the people in the purchasing departments, your customers, are researching your company before they ever even consider or contact you, okay? Did you also know that over 50% of that traffic from that research is done on a mobile device? So not only are these people looking for you, but they're looking for you on their cell phone. So that's why it's so important as a manufacturing company, not only to have a website, but to build a website that really tells your brand story in the right way, highlights your capabilities, and is dynamic enough and rich enough for somebody in a purchasing department to find you versus all your competitors and make the decision to call you first. Which leads me into my second point, your overall brand identity. Now your brand identity, a lot of people think of a brand and they just think that's your logo. And your logo is a piece of your brand, but your logo is really just a mark to the customer saying, hey, this is ours. This is our stamp, this is our promise. The identity of your brand is a much larger conversation. So that bleeds all the way into things like this. Like, what are you gonna mail your customer? Are you gonna mail them an old postcard or come up with a dynamic way to showcase your new product? And different ways to see it. This is a USB where they can go online and learn more information about the product. And this is something we designed for our customer. So this would be part of a brand identity piece, right? Something that you can send to your customers to look different and stand apart. So sending an old mailer is okay, but this also bleeds into your other pieces of your identity, the content that you guys have, the video content that you want to create, telling a story about your business. What do your social media profiles look like? And how are you representing yourself online at a global level? So when people find you, they want to do business with you. And the third thing I want to talk to you about is really humanizing your brand to make it attractive for potential employees. Now, obviously sales are important and that's really what we are talking about here. But another thing that I know all manufacturing companies are looking for is better employees to help with their overall operations and functionality of the business. And surprisingly enough, not many manufacturing companies that we work with before working with us invested into any kind of social media presence. Well, as you already know probably, a lot of attention is on LinkedIn and a ton of attention is on Facebook. And if you use the right strategy, these platforms can be effectively used not only to reach more people, but to target and focus on the employees that you want, send them to your new website, and attract them to become an employee for your company. If you'd like to learn more about how we can help manufacturing companies better advertise themselves, better increase their sales, please feel free to visit our website at drivecreativeagency.com. Give us a call. Feel free also to follow our YouTube channel, our LinkedIn page. We'll be putting out more content like that. Thanks a lot, guys, and have a great day.